And today, the story of a phone captioning service that's keeping people with hearing loss connected. The company, ClearCaptions, providing a phone which allows users to read what the caller is saying live. Meet Betty and Mary, sisters. Betty is suffering from hearing loss.
My hearing got so bad, I couldn't use a regular phone.
We stopped being able to talk to each other.
ClearCaptions allows the sisters to stay connected. Now Betty can read the captions on the phone and respond immediately.
I'm able to stay connected and still be independent.
The service is provided at no cost to you through a federally managed program.
It's given me back my sister.
What an amazing service. Call now to see if you qualify.
There is no insurance or Medicare required. ClearCaptions will install, train, and provide the service all at no cost to you. Call today